You're at checkout. Do you swipe credit or debit? Most people just pick one out of habit, but that one swipe could be costing you money, protection, or even your credit score. Let's break it down. Okay, real quick, what's actually the difference? A debit card pulls money directly from your bank account. What you have is what you spend. A credit card is basically a short-term loan. You spend the bank's money, then pay it back, ideally in full at the end of the month. Simple concept, big consequences. Debit is great if you're on a strict budget. No overspending, no debt, no interest. What's in the account is what you've got, period. It's also perfect for everyday small purchases, coffee, groceries, MetroCard top-ups, where you don't need any extra perks. And if you're just starting out financially or you've had debt problems before, debit keeps things honest. But here's where credit cards start pulling ahead, fast. Fraud protection. If your debit card gets compromised, the money is already gone from your account. With a credit card, you dispute it and they take the hit, not you. Building credit. Every on-time payment improves your credit score. In New York, where renting an apartment basically requires a credit check, this matters a lot. Rewards, cash back, airline miles, hotel points. A good travel card can pay for your flights if you use it strategically. Purchase protection. Many credit cards cover stolen or damaged items bought on the card. Your debit card usually doesn't. Now, credit cards are only better if you pay the balance in full every month. Miss that and the average interest rate kicks in. We're talking 20%, 24%, even higher on some cards. That $500 TV becomes a $600 problem real quick. So the rule is simple. Only charge what you can afford to pay off. Use it like a debit card, but collect the rewards. If you can't do that yet, stick with debit. No shame in it. Living in New York specifically, here's the play. Use a credit card for rent payments that allow it, dining, transit, and online orders. You want that fraud protection and rewards. Use debit for cash withdrawals and at smaller spots that charge a credit card fee. And if you're apartment hunting, your credit score is practically a second form of ID. Start building it now. Bottom line, neither card is universally better. It depends on your habits, your goals, and your discipline. But if you can handle credit responsibly, it wins almost every time. Drop a comment, Team Credit or Team Debit. And if this helped, subscribe. More money stuff coming every week.